Hey guys, welcome back to the e-commerce bartender here, and today we're going to be going over how to create an Amazon FBA shipment. So as you can see here, the product we're going to be doing today isn't going to be the product that we've been going over through our little mini course, but I'm just using this because it's another magnet fidget toy, so don't look too much into it. Before we get started, I want to let you know where we're at on Seller Central. So once you're in your Seller Central account, you're going to want to go to Inventory and Manage Inventory, and that's going to bring you guys to this page. And at this point of the process, you guys should already have your listing already done with your product and everything like that. So this should already be done. So moving on, you're going to go right here to this tab and hit that. And you're going to scroll up to Send and Replenish Inventory, and you're going to hit that button. And it's going to bring you to a page like this. So right here, you're going to hit Create a New Shipping Plan, and you're going to ship from your address from China. Guys, addresses in China are a little bit different than in the States. So when you guys get information from over there, also ask for the address and be like, can you put an Amazon FBA format and they will send it to you the way you're supposed to enter it. So if you have a good supplier, they will already have this set up for you and they will send it to you on demand. So next up, we have to choose case pack products because we're all sending in one product at the moment. And we're going to hit continue to shipping plan. All right, let's scroll down real quick. So right here, we have units per case. We're going to do 50 units per case, and we're going to do probably around 30 cases because we have 1,500 total units. The reason why I'm doing this, guys, is just because of the fact our product weighs around 0.81 pounds. And when you ship boxes into Amazon, each box has to weigh under 50 pounds. So I kind of give myself a 5 to 10 pound, difference there just so I don't get hit with anything from the warehouses, like about sending in packages that are too heavy. So that's kind of where I'm using those numbers today, but it may vary. Your supplier should have a good idea on how to ship it into Amazon, so they probably already have this covered. So we're going to come down here and we're going to hit continue and go on to the next page. So I will be pausing this occasionally just because I like to enter in the stuff beforehand. So stay in tune for the next part. All right, guys, after the step of set quantity, you're going to come to prepare products. I also want to mention as well, you guys should be renaming your shipment right here to something that you guys can identify just so you can keep up to date with your shipments and you can differentiate all of them if you have multiple going on at the same time. So make sure you're labeling your shipments as well. So right now we're under prepare products and we're going to come down here and go to who preps. So we're going to say the merchant is going to prep it because our supplier is going to prep it. We don't need Amazon to prep our products. So after that, I go on to label products. So as we scroll down here, I always want to be checking to make sure our address is still good. I always like to check that. We don't need to print labels for this page just because of the fact our merchant has already had our labels that we sent to him in a video a couple videos ago. So we're going to hit continue and go on to the next step. All right, and it brings us to review shipments. So this is going to give you where you're going to ship it to in the States. This is the address you're going to be sending to your supplier to kind of finalize the payment of, how much it's going to cost to DDP, C-ship, or airship your product to Amazon FBA warehouses. So this is all good here. We got 30 cases, 1,500 units. It's all looking good here. So we're going to hit approve and continue. So after review shipment, we're going to be brought to view shipments. So right now we're just going to kind of check to make sure everything's good, make sure our shipment name's good, make sure our ship from address is good as well. And remember, we still have our new address that we're going to send to our supplier. That's actually going to be shown up, the actual address under prepare shipment. So let's go ahead and hit work on shipment so we can get to that address so you can send it to your supplier. So right here we have the ship to address, so you can send that to your supplier to finalize everything. And we're going to go ahead and move down here real quick. So review shipment contents, we're good there. And then we're going to move on to hit small parcel delivery. We got that done. We're going to go to shipment packing. We're going to hit multiple boxes right here instead of everything in one box because we have like 30 of them, I believe. We're going to come down here as well. We're going to enter in the units per box, which is 50, and number of boxes, which is 30, which is going to give us total 1,500. And we're going to do a weight per box. I kind of, just did a little math here and put in 40.5. That's rough. And then some box dimensions, which your supplier will provide for you. And then you're going to hit confirm, okay? And that's going to bring you to the next step, which is going to be the shipping labels. All right. And I hit just plain paper. So you're just going to hit that, and then you're going to hit print box labels. All right. And then it's going to show up with this right here. And you're going to send this document to your supplier so they can put these labels on all the boxes over there in China so they can get shipped to the Amazon FBA warehouse. All right, so let's scroll down as well. And then you're just going to hit complete shipment, and you should be good there from there on out. I'm going to say one more thing. You guys can't really see this, but this down here below that's going to be blurred out, this is going to be my storage space or whatever. When you guys are first starting out, and I believe this is still true, but you need to check it, that you're only allowed 200 cubic square foot of standard storage space, which is probably the storage space you're going to be using. So make sure you're not over ordering and just paying out the butt for products you can't even ship them all into the Amazon FBA warehouse. So always make sure and check how many cubic square feet you are sending into the Amazon FBA warehouse. That's going to end the video for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the content. There's going to be another video tomorrow, like always. Just a reminder, guys, anything you need is in the description below, anywhere from Helium 10 promo codes to get a call with me. So you guys have a great day. Keep up the good work and take care, guys.